Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this cool see-through text on CapCut. So here, I suggest you to open new projects and use a background like this. You can use any color. So here I'm using a green background. Then you can start by adding the text that you want to put later in your videos. So for example, here I'm going to just write get Nike. Now you can change the style and the font to your like it, but I'm suggesting you to choose a white color like this. Click on the check icon. Don't forget to adjust the line, and after this you need to export this project, and after it's done you need to put it on the videos or on the projects that you want. So this is the project that I want to edit, and I want to put the text here. So click on overlay, add overlay, and then add the text overlay. Click on add, and after that you can go to chroma key. So go to remove background and use chroma key to remove the green screen like this. Don't forget to adjust the intensity, also the shadow. Okay, click on the check icon, and now go to splice or blend this one, and to have that see-through effect you can use this overlay mode. Can see, click on the check icon, so the text now will go like this, and this will be the result. You can also adjust the size if you like it. So this is the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.